Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Sales Navigator, full guide step by. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.linkedin.com and press enter. Once the LinkedIn homepage loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your LinkedIn email address or phone number. Type in your email address or phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your LinkedIn password. Once both fields are filled out, click the Sign In button. After signing in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type Sales Navigator into the search bar. Hit Enter to search for Sales Navigator. From the search results, click on Sales Navigator to open the application. Upon opening Sales Navigator, if it's your first time, you may need to set up your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your Sales Navigator settings. If you already have an account, you will be directed to your Sales Navigator dashboard. Here you can access various features tailored for sales professionals. Familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available on the dashboard. To log out later, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Sign Out to securely exit your account. You have now successfully logged into LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.